Well, greetings from the showroom floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. In my front showroom, I have a car that I had never seen until we got this one. Tell you a little bit more about it in a minute. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota on a very nice day in our front showroom where we have what I would call is a very, very special and unique automobile. It is called a Quicksilver Zimmer, 1986 model, and everyone goes, where in the world did that come? I've never seen one of those before. Well, I'm being an old car guy and I had never seen one in person until this one arrived. It basically started life as a Fiero is what the main body of the car was, and then it was custom sheet metal from there moving forward with the custom hood, custom fenders, custom tail end, custom grille. I mean, it's one of those cars that if you want something that you drive down the road, you're going to have people going, what is that? I've never seen one of those cars. Well, we've got one right here at Ellingson's, and it is a really pretty one to say the least. Beautiful red paint all the way around, base coat clear, chrome wheels and the radial tires, just really shining. Isn't that a unique grille with the hideaway headlights that were reminiscent of what the Fiero came with originally? So it actually is all a Fiero drivetrain, which is a 2.8 liter engine, which is mid-mounted right back here behind the rear window. Seems to be a very unique and specialty car to say the least. And so we have a very nice interior with the bucket seats, center console with the automatic shifter. I mean, it's got the leather ingrained dash with the Grant steering wheel. This car came with, you know, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, power windows. I mean, it was a loaded car when it was new. And in 1986, this was a pretty nice car to say the least that they started with. And I'll tell you what, if you want something that not anybody else is going to have, this is probably one of them right here. And you can visit us, like I said, in person. You can come Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5 at Ellingson Motorcars. We'd love to have you look at it in person. Or you can find us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram as well. Make us a favorite. And again, all our cars are on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars as well. So you're looking for something that nobody else probably has in the neighborhood, probably like myself, had never seen one in person, only in magazines or whatever. So the Quicksilver Zimmer right here at Ellingson's.